Hey, do you want to learn how to deactivate auto label in Notion Mail? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. To deactivate auto label in Notion Mail, we're going to first go over to Notion Mail on a web browser. And on the left-hand side, I will scroll down. I'm going to find settings. Click on it. And on here, on the left-hand side in account, click on Notion AI. And here you're going to find all the auto labels that you have created via the auto label button. And now if I do not want the AI to automatically label all my travel booking and confirmations as a travel label and set it in a different view, I want to stop that automation. I'm going to press on these three dots on the right hand side, and you can edit it and deactivate it from here. And this labels automation will be permanently deactivated. It can still be used manually. You can do that. So we're going to press on confirm, and it's going to remove it from here. But on the left hand side, you're going to still find the travel label, the view, which is going to be still active. But the automation, the way it separates these travel emails to this travel view, that is not going to work anymore. If you want to have that active again, you just need to go over to auto label and describe it again. Like here, I pressed on this travel bookings and confirmations. You just need to press on it again, and it's going to make another label, and then you can delete this label from here. So that's it. That's how you can deactivate auto label in Notion Mail. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more Notion Mail tutorials. So see you there, and bye for now.